Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video guys, I have a mini unboxing for you guys. I ordered a little item from Gucci because I saw this Juan or Jojo, she's having unboxing with this, and if you watch Jojo's unboxing of this Gucci, you probably know what it is. And also a small item also from Louis Vuitton. Just give me a big bag guys. So let's start with this Louis Vuitton one. This time they have a magazine, so I asked them, actually it sat this on top of the word display on the items or the products of the bags. So I asked if that's free, and they said yeah, you get one. So I asked for this. I always something like to have this, you know, one day you put this one on your coffee table, the visitor can, you know, look through all those magazines. So yeah, guys, I'm struggling with this button. So here's the box, and also it comes with this box. To be honest with you, I don't know why this particular item, one thing that I like with Gucci, Louis Vuitton, every small items guys, they give you a box, and they are really nice of them. They also put a ribbon, and yeah, well packaging from Louis Vuitton. That's why I like them to shop the most of the time. So let's do this. So the item I got guys is another book, and again this is good for coffee table as well. To be honest, what sold me out is this around here, the LV Louis Vuitton Louis Vuitton Paris. The top of this is really nice, and it's not bad price. It's to be honest with you, this is at 31 pounds. And yeah, let's see what's in it. And I really like this, comes with the plastic, so at least it's new. And see how pretty is that? It's really nice guys. That's the bag. And let's see what's in here. It's about Louis Vuitton in Paris, I think. Let's see guys. So all the insides is right here. So it's like a magazine, or like for travel book if you go to Paris. And I have a few. I have a Paris, London, Tokyo. So this one add on my collection on my coffee table. So why not? I always, like I said, I always do look to the book section and found a new item, and this one is really good and also good price. So yeah, let's move on to Gucci guys, and let's see. And people are really loving the new packaging of Gucci. So as you can see guys, I can see the green already, the olive green. I don't know what's that, olive green or matcha green. So okay, how I can open this? Oh no, just, oh, look at that. Actually, I bought this small item because of Jojo. She said the pouch, well, it comes with it, that you can use that as well, like when you go grocerying. It has a name Gucci. Yay, I'm lucky. And I really love the envelope of Gucci, the details of it. Wow, Gucci, you're amazing. Glad that you changed your packaging. Of course, the small pouch. Look at this guys, look at that. Oh, I wish if I have a bigger one. This one is always go to my grocery shopping all the time. I always carry this. Look at this. I can sometimes, if I work short hours, I just bring a small bag. Probably I'm gonna wear this one guys. This is the one I'm gonna carry all the time now. So yes, thank you Gucci for sending me this, even though it's small items, but you still get this shopping bag in here. So another envelope. See, here's the items, and it's really cute that comes with this pouch as well. Oh my god, Gucci, this is cute. Actually, I can use this one for my lipstick or my travel size perfume. So the item, guys, is this nail polish. Yes, can you believe that? A nail polish. I'm not really buying so much nail polish, but this one, I consider this because of the shopping bag. Mine as well. Anyway, the color that I pick is a Piggy Sunburn 414. Comes with this. And I think that this is the latest. I'm not sure because I'm not really checking Gucci all the time. I just saw this one with Jojo. So here's the color of this. It's beautiful color. I probably try this one for you guys so you can see what it looks like on my nails. Good thing I don't have nail polish. So it's beautiful, like color peach. And the packaging, it's gorgeous. Love the packaging. So the size of this is 10 ml only, so it's similar as the other Chanel and the Dior one. So the packaging is so cute. It does remind you of Christian Louboutin. I don't know how to pronounce correct. Sorry guys if I say that wrong. So yeah, it's so cute. I will, like I said guys, I will do first impression for you guys. I will also clip some video that what it looks like on my nails. So there you go guys. I hope you like this kind of content. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment below sections if you have any suggestions, and I'll see you on my next one.